Okay, we are pulling up sweet potatoes. It's about time. They've been in here long enough. So let's pull them out. Yank it out of there.
What if there's a snake in there?
Whoa, if there's a snake in there, just pet him gently.
No.
No? Maybe you should run instead. What do we got?
Ooh.
Oh my, look at that thing.
Yeah,
It's like an alien sweet potato. Look at it.
It looks like a big poo.
So try not to break it when you pull it up. We want to make sure that we don't break the potatoes. Look at that.
Sheesh.
Woo.
What is that big? Is this
gonna go
on YouTube?
Yeah.
It's broke.
Look at that potato.
It broke. It looks like a pair of headsets.
It looks like a pair of headsets or something you put around your neck.
Yeah.
We got lots of potatoes to harvest because we got to get these out of here because we have a lemon tree and I can't remember the name of that shrub to go in there. But we got some things to go in over here, so we got to get these potatoes out of here. So we're going to do that, and we'll come back when we're done and show you the harvest. All right. Well, I think that about does it for our sweet potato harvest, and we got some monsters in there. Look at the size of this thing. That's probably 3 or 4 pounds. That's crazy. Some of these, they got pretty badly chewed up, like you can see here. Insects really got to this. Some of them have kind of taken on a grayish color, so I don't know if and they're kind of light, so they may have gone in there too long, as well as more insect damage you can see. But there's a lot of good food there that's still at the right time, and I'm impressed. Sweet potato seems to have been the easiest thing to grow. I swear to God, you know, from one potato you can grow so many slips that you can just turn into a bounty. Like this over here is all from one potato that I grew out the slips from. And those are still growing. They're going to be ready for harvest before too long. So I'm just amazed at the sweet potatoes. And then I got all this stuff to go in the compost bin. So very cool. If you haven't tried sweet potatoes before, definitely give them a try because they're super easy. They do great ground cover. I mean, if you got an area that you don't really have much else to grow into and you want to just have the ground covered, then they do a great job for that. Plus they give you a lot of food. So super easy, super fun. Try them out. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.